This is Zuma Rock in Nigeria, and you've probably heard that when a member of this Zuma community dies, the spirit of that person goes on to live inside this giant rock, and that there are people living inside this rock till date. But what if I told you that's not true?
A person die, his spirit no dey come here. No, those people they lie. They
that
just
time
they give story
that
because
time
of
when
they
I
go
did
tell say.
Many of these stories are just misconceptions and false narrations being spread across the internet today. To uncover the real truth and the mysteries behind Zuma Rock, I reached out to Goodness, a fellow YouTuber here in Abuja, and today we decided to go to Zuma Village, located along the Abuja-Kaduna Expressway, in search of an answer to the plenty questions we had. The goal was to visit the palace and speak with the indigenous people of this Zuma community. Upon getting there, we were assigned a delegate who is an indigene, and he took us to Zuma Rock and told us that some of these stories about this rock that has been spread across the internet are false. For example, the hidden cave that is said to be a pathway into this rock doesn't exist, and that there is no way to get into this rock except by climbing the rock, which has only been attempted twice by professional mountain hikers. While some of these myths surrounding this rock are false, we also can't deny the fact that some of these mysteries still remain true till date. For instance, Zuma Rock is the only rock around Abuja with a natural formation that looks like a human face. From a distance, you can clearly see the eyes, the nose, and even the mouth as well. And it looks like someone is standing right before the rock when you observe it from afar. And that is why some people believe that the rock has supernatural power and is said to be the sole protector of the Zuma people. Another mystery is the strange fire that the people of this community say they sometimes see burning on top of this rock, and that the fire doesn't stop even when it's rained heavily. At first, this might sound supernatural, but then our guide further explained what truly happens when this event takes place.
say sometimes you go see say fire go dey catch from the rock.
No, that fire na thunder. They if you like that.
But you dey see fire on top
No,
of
I
the
don't
rock.
see. No,
I've
normally.
never experienced something
No
like that
fire,
in my
but na
life.
that one na thunder they fall on
Eh,
top. That one don't happen like about 3 times.
Because of how tall Zuma Rock is, thunderstorms sometimes strike the top of the rock, and since there is grass growing at the summit, lightning can easily ignite it. That is why fire appears on the rock from time to time, even in the middle of a heavy rainfall.
So, guys, after speaking with him for a bit, we are just heading inside to see if there is a path, a place where we can enter. I've seen a video where they say people go through, follow that path into the rock. We just want to see if that is true or not. So we are looking for that path. So I want to know, I'm curious, I want to know if there are places like that here in Zuma Rock. So that's what we are doing. We are rounding this rock. As you can see, we've moved from the other side now to the back of this rock, and now we are moving to the other side of it to just find the truth behind Zuma Rock.
Before we proceed, let me give you a brief history about Zuma Rock. According to research, Zuma Rock is considered one of Nigeria's natural wonder located along the Abuja-Kaduna Expressway. It rises about 725 meters above the ground, almost twice the height of Olumo Rock in Abeokuta, and even taller than the famous Burj Khalifa if you are measuring from base to peak. Its name comes from the word Zumwa, meaning honey, and it is given to it by the Zuba and the Koro people many years ago.
And like say that time here in a bush, some animals they here where did our parents they come hunt. Oh, this honey they come find honey. Now make they put Zuma, that honey without now Zuma.
Zuma.
Zuma,
Okay,
na
Zuma.
Zuma. To now make they come name the place Zuma Rock.
okay, that's ancient
But
place.
like now with our language now Zuma they call her Zuma.
These are the kind of videos I like to make. I like to make adventurous videos. I like to make travel videos, show you places, amazing stories across Africa, across Nigeria in general. So if you think this is the kind of content you like to watch, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button today, like this video, and let's get more people on this channel. And by so doing, you are just helping me to create more content. Thank you very much. Let's get right into it.
According to our guide, in the past, people come to Zuma Rock to perform rituals or sacrifice because they believe that there are spirits or forces inside this rock that grants their requests. And he has been a witness when one of those activities was taking place.
Before here, people they come keep like dog fowl, cow, ram, some goats. They come do ritual like about 10 years ago
Are you
or
serious?
15 years ago. That time we here they like forest, bush, they place no they free. But now that know they happen again. People know they come here because of people. The place don't they popular, don't they
Yes.
clearly. People know they like to come here again. But before people they can't do like their ritual, all these things.
I think that because of say they believe say something they
Yeah.
something they the rock.
But
That's why.
yeah, but now they have no coming.
Oga, you said that if una wake up in the morning that time, when they see dove, chicken.
Yeah, we they see. We don't. I don't chop. I don't chop like. I don't.
Some sacrifice.
You well. Nothing dead here. I don't come here catch one ram one day. Where they want some people along this road. They come with Prado,
Wow.
carry one big ram come here to keep.
That is insane.
Me, I just they pass. I saw them. I just wait. They don't finish sacrifice. I just stay catch and carry and go.
So you didn't wait for them.
Made them finish now. Now then we don't pass the
You
30.
didn't make they finish so that
Make
you
they-
don't carry some.
Make
Carry
I carry
your portion they go.
Make I carry and they go.
Oh my goodness, guys! Imagine just coming to Zuma Rock. What he's trying to say is that people come to people come to this side to make sacrifice. So some of them do see it as this thing is nothing. Why will you just come to make sacrifice? You know, they keep ram, they keep chicken, they keep all sort of things. You name it. You know.
The cow they drop cow, but now they know they come again.
No, Nigeria don't cost. Nigeria things don't hard.
But before, they will tell some people maybe they come find grass of Zuma Rock, stone for Zuma Rock. But now that we know they hear again. But before, people they come bring all those things.
Oh man, I mean, I do not dispute the fact that some of these things happens for real. You know, in Nigeria there are lots of cultures, traditions. You know, these are some of the things that people believe in, and when they feel like it works for them, they just come. You know, they put sacrifice, pray on it with hopes that some of their prayers will get answered.
Yeah.
And then you know, some of these people when they come across sacrifice like that, just like what he was explaining, they just take it. They just eat the sacrifice. And then, I mean, I don't know, you can make any interpretation from that. Maybe they are the ones that are answering the prayers or something, but
Nothing.
it's interesting.
We will just they chop and if they drop and we will carry and chop.
No, I
And that's goodness behind. So, actually, we would have just said, okay, let's just say the story, talk about the story, and just, you know, just browse the internet and give you the facts. But yeah, we decided to come to meet the indigents of Zuma, you know, and then have them tell their stories themselves. And as you can see, some of these stories you see online concerning the people of Zuma and concerning the Zuma Rock itself, some of them are true while others aren't. So yeah. After hearing all of this and walking right here at the foot of Zuma Rock, it has become clear that this rock is a timeless monument. It stands as a reminder of how stories, myths and history can all collide with each other in Nigeria. Some tales were definitely exaggerated, some were misunderstood and some remain mysterious till date. But one thing is certain, Zuma Rock possesses a powerful presence that is timeless. Its stories are deep and its beauty is undeniable. I believe that the more you try to dig deep, the more you get to discover about Zuma Rock, and so is every other mystical stories in Nigeria. Anyways, let me know what you think about Zuma Rock in the comment section. And do not forget, if you're enjoying this video, kindly go ahead and drop a like and subscribe to this channel for more fantastic stories across Nigeria and in Africa soonest. See you on the next one and bye for now.